Okay, I have upload today. We're going to learn about United States and a little bit about Texas. So I have created a link on the chat. So please take a look at the chat and log in to your Nearpod. And while you do that, I'm going to share this one. Perfect. Okay, so everybody was able to log into your Nearpod. Take a trip in United States. Okay, let's start. So what would it be like to experience in the United States up close? So we are going to learn, remember, social studies is very important to learn about our countries. So what would be an experience to look up USA in close? In this lesson, you will experience the United States through a virtual field trip, learn facts about United States, and represent what you learn about the United States in words and pictures. So I have some questions. So what comes to your mind when you think of a United States? So I want you to think about it and share your thoughts and raise your hand. Let me give you an example for Miss Tina. If I think about US, it's a really, really big country with many different people, many different cultures, right? They all look different. What else? They have famous places like Statue of Liberty, right? Anybody? Anything? It could be about yes, Ariana. Oh, I have to open. Can you talk?
Yes.
Yes, Ariana.
Freedom.
Freedom. Good job. Very smart. I didn't thought about that. Very good job, Ariana. Thank you so much. Okay, what else? Who else? Natalie, Natalia. Yes, Natalia. Natalia. Huh? So what comes in your mind when you think about your country, like United States?
Like the United States and our American flag.
Our American flag, right? American flag has many stars. Okay. And Ariana mentioned about freedom. Okay, we can talk about like government, some fireworks on July 4th, many different landmarks. Good job. Okay, so here are the 50 different states of United States, okay?
I can't hear it for some reason. Are you guys having trouble hearing it? Here, if you are, I'm going to put up a reaction, okay?
Cannot hear?
Yeah, but it might just be me. No, I think it's all of us.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, sometimes Nearpod does that. It just does that for you sometimes. But if you want, Miss Tina, maybe you can scroll through it and they can just see all the different states since we can't hear it. Because that happens with Nearpod.
Not hear the YouTube, you mean? This one?
Yeah, I would just like take that little, you might be able to do it on YouTube.
Oh, maybe. Let's see, 50 different states, huh?
Yeah, I can find it for you if you want me to real fast. Hold on. So that way we can, because sometimes with YouTube ads will come up, but through a slideshow, it won't. So
okay. 50 states song, 50 states song.
50 states silly song, okay.
Oh, no, it just says 50 states.
Yeah. Oh, just 50 states song, okay.
It comes up on the first deck.
Okay.
Silly school education, yeah.
Oh, okay. Silly school education. Yeah, I don't know why Nearpod does that sometimes, but it does. All right, I think I found it, you guys. Well, maybe I didn't. This one has the capitals. Was the one that you had, did it have the capitals?
You can use yours. That's okay.
Yeah, we'll use this one then. Okay, guys, hold on just a second. Let me present it, okay? So if you're on Nearpod, you might just want to jump over to your Google Meet if you can. If not, just listen, okay? And I'll make it big. Oh, wait. That was the wrong one. Here, hold on just a second. Here it is. They might have an ad, but we'll see. There we go.
Arizona, North Dakota, Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut, and Colorado, California, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Vermont, Kansas, Michigan, South Dakota, Tennessee, Minnesota, Oregon, Mississippi, Illinois, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Georgia and Hawaii, Oklahoma, West Virginia, Massachusetts, Maryland, and Washington, and Iowa, New Hampshire and Kentucky, Indiana, Maine, Virginia, New York and Missouri and Nevada and New Mexico, Wisconsin, Utah and Montana, New Jersey and Idaho, Wyoming, Texas and Ohio, don't forget Nebraska, the Carolinas, North and South, and very cold Alaska. Arizona, North Dakota, Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut and Colorado, California, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Vermont, Kansas, Michigan, South Dakota, Tennessee, Minnesota, Oregon, Mississippi, Illinois, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Georgia and Hawaii, Oklahoma, West Virginia, Massachusetts, Maryland and Washington and Iowa, New Hampshire and Kentucky, Indiana, Maine, Virginia, New York and Missouri and Nevada and New Mexico, Wisconsin, Utah and Montana, New Jersey and Idaho, Wyoming, Texas and Ohio, don't forget Nebraska, the Carolinas, North and South, and very cold Alaska.
I think you could do it.
Arizona, North Dakota, Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut and Colorado, California, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Vermont, Kansas, Michigan, South Dakota, Tennessee, Minnesota, Oregon, Mississippi, Illinois, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Georgia and Hawaii, Oklahoma, West Virginia, Massachusetts, Maryland and Washington and Iowa, New Hampshire and Kentucky, Indiana, Maine, Virginia, New York and Missouri and Nevada and New Mexico, Wisconsin, Utah and Montana, New Jersey and Idaho, Wyoming, Texas and Ohio, don't forget Nebraska, the Carolinas, North and South and very cold Alaska. Arizona, North Dakota, Alabama, Arkansas, Connecticut and Colorado, California, Delaware, Florida, Louisiana, Vermont, Kansas, Michigan, South Dakota, Tennessee, Minnesota, Oregon, Mississippi, Illinois, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Georgia and Hawaii, Oklahoma, West Virginia, Massachusetts, Maryland, Washington and Iowa, New Hampshire and Kentucky, Indiana, Maine, Virginia. New York and Missouri and Nevada and New Mexico, Wisconsin, Utah and Montana, New Jersey and Idaho, Wyoming, Texas and Ohio, don't forget Nebraska, the Carolinas, North and South and very cold Alaska.
Wow, thank you, Miss Crosby. So,
Alabama and Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas,
okay, let's go back to Miss Tina's screen. If you cannot, I already uploaded the link on the chat and click that. So we are actually going to visit different parts of the United States. Okay, virtually. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Look at this. I'm going to use my mouse to see virtually. Virtually, so we can see this in real time, 360 degrees. We can see up the sky. We can see the east. We can also see the west. Okay. Anybody know which states or what is this? Yes, Natalia. Okay, Natalia. Oh,
Oh, it's my fault. Sorry, I didn't have it. Go ahead, Natalia. What is
I
that?
see the Golden Bridge.
Yes.
good job. It's a Golden Gate located in San Francisco, California, right?
I know this place
Look
because
at
I learned
the
about
road.
it in school.
Oh, right. Give me a thumbs up if you've been there. Emoji. Oh, Miss Tina been there. Good job. Yes, Natalie. Where do you think this is?
I just wanted to say something wrong with my Nearpod.
You want to say something wrong with the is it not working?
No, it's just when I'm on the Nearpod and it told me the class. It tells me that you're not sharing your screen. When I come back, you are.
You know what I would do, Natalie, because Miss Crosby's is working, so I might go ahead and X out and then go ahead and click that link that Miss Tina she put into the chat again. Okay, she just put it in like a couple minutes ago, and then usually when you get back in, it'll work again.
Yeah. So, anybody knows where this is? Raise your hand. Miss Tina just talked about it in the beginning. Actually, this is oh yes, Ariana. Oh, yes, Ariana and then Maria. Where do you guys
At New York.
think? Good job, smart.
It's still doing it.
Is it, Natalie? Okay, then just watch it on the Google Meet because Miss Tina has it displayed. Okay, sweetie.
It
Maria,
looks more like New
good
York.
job.
That's what I see.
So-
I see wicked.
Yeah.
Because they don't see.
Okay, Miss Tina's talking, so let's try. Maria, this is New York, Times Square. It's called Times Square. Okay, next one. Ooh, look at here. Okay, oh, this is. I was just recently here. I think this is Arizona, Sedona, Arizona, the Grand Canyon.
Yep, that's it.
Yay, Grand Canyon! Look at here. Do you
Yeah,
think?
you guys, if you look, I'm sorry to interrupt, Miss Tina. I get so excited about
No,
that.
no, you can talk about it. We're all sharing the same thing, so.
If you guys look on our class website, it's linked. I'll try to send you a picture of it sometime. But there's a picture of Miss Crosby in front of the Grand Canyon right there.
Oh, amazing! I
It
think
is amazing.
definitely ask your parents to visit here one day. Okay.
It's beautiful.
Yep. Oh, look at this. This is located in Washington, D.C., the White House. I see right here. This is White House, where the president lives. Okay. Oh, I put this because it's in your states. Actually, this is Texas, Houston. Anybody been to Texas, Houston? It's really big. They have it's called a park, something park. I don't know the name of it, but I just put it because I felt it was really cool. Yes, Natalie, you wanted to talk? No, never been there. Yes, Mariah.
Yeah, I
I
think.
think
Where I see if you can unmute. For some reason, we can't hear you. You've been there, Amanda, at school.
Yeah. Oh, my brother.
Okay, guys, make sure you're muted to see if we can hear Mariah. Okay. I think she's trying, but for some reason, maybe the volume's acting strange. Yeah, I think Miss Tina. I think some of our students live in Houston. I might go look.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, a couple of them do.
Miss
Oh,
Crosby.
I always wanted to visit here. It looks really
Miss
tall.
Crosby.
Oh, mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Okay, it looks very new and tall. Has lots of tall buildings. Okay, so United States of America. What was this again?
You're all unmute. I'm sorry.
Yes, not.
The Statue of Liberty.
The
The Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty.
Yes, thank you.
Point.
It's called the Statue of Liberty. So this is located in North America between Mexico and Canada. Right here. Do you see this part? This is the United States. The states of Alaska and Hawaii Islands are the only two states not sharing the contiguous boundaries. So Hawaii is an island, Alaska is an island. So they are also part of the United States, but they're not sharing the contiguous boundaries together. Got it? So mostly they speak English. We speak English. Their primary language is English. And the capital was the Washington, D.C., the White House we just saw virtually, right? Okay, this is the flag of the United States. We have 50 different stars. That's representing the 50 different states, right? Okay, religious. They have a Roman Catholicism, Protestantism, Islam, Judaism, Buddhism, and many and more. Okay, we have this much population, this much 300 million, 302 million people in the United States. I believe this is also in New York City at night, or Chicago, maybe Chicago. Where do you think this is?
Yeah, that one I cannot tell. I can't tell. I think you're right. It might be Chicago. That might be the Sears Tower.
Yeah, maybe. And then we remember on math class we learned about money. So this is a $1 bill for United States. Okay, let's see. We're gonna move on. So this is a quick question for you guys. How many states are in the United States? Everybody try to answer this. I'll give you about 15 seconds. Is it 48 states in the United States, 49, 50, or 51? Okay. There's a hint on our flags too, right? Number of stars are same as the number of the states. Yes, Natalie. Do you know the answer for this?
50 states in 15 colonies.
Ooh, let's check. Yay! Good job, Natalie. Thank you so much. Next
I
question.
learned that in school.
Oh, good from Miss Crosby. Good job, good job. Thank you. Number 2. What is the name of the famous statue of New York that symbolizes freedom? Times Square, Mount Rushmore, the Statue of Liberty, and Washington Monument. Okay. I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, we need to take turns. So let's see. Ariana will answer this. So, Ariana, do you have the answer yet?
Yes.
Yes.
I picked
What? You picked C. Good job. The Statue of Liberty.
the Statue of Liberty brings freedom.
Yay! Yeah, that's the famous statue symbolizing freedom. That's fine. The Statue of Liberty is a
We got to put a T right before the Y.
Statue of Liberty is a famous U.S. landmark. I don't know if you guys learned about it. The government to Miss Crosby. Like, did they learn about the executive, legislative, and the
Yeah, we didn't go quite into all 3 branches of government, but we did discuss it for sure, and about democracy too, and about history. They know a little bit about the beginning history too.
Okay. Okay, so this is what I have, what we learned so far. So if you guys didn't finish it, you're gonna take time to finish it later, okay? Next one. Okay, did you learn new information about United States? Oops, sorry. Can you able to answer this or no? Yes? Okay. I think I learned a new information about it. Okay.
Not really.
Not really, you already know everything? Oh, you're smart.
I know a lot.
I know.
Because my mom taught me before I went to school. So I skipped kindergarten.
Nice. Okay. Okay, everybody answer that. And now, if you could visit one place in the United States, where would you go and why? Okay, raise your hand. Let's go with Natalie first, okay? Natalie?
I would go to the United China.
China. Okay, China. That's a really fun places. But actually, that's not in the United States. That's in Asia, right? South Asia. So China
Yeah,
has
like something in America.
something inside America, like New York.
Oh, remember that song that we had that we just did with all the states? Think of one that you would want to go.
Yes, Natalie.
Texas.
Texas, right? Okay, that's where maybe you can go to Houston, maybe Dallas, Austin, many other different parks, right? What about Natalie? Yeah, thank you, Natalie.
Me, I would go.
To
I would
Hi.
go to Washington.
Washington. Nice. What about Ariana?
I would go to New York.
New York. Why? To see the Statue of Liberty and the Times Square?
Yes.
Oh, Orlando. Do you guys know Orlando, Florida? I want to visit the Disney World and Universal Studios. They recently opened a new theme park. No, they are opening on May this year, so I want to visit there. Next. Okay, look at this flag. Okay, which state has this flag? Has blue stands for loyalty, white stands for purity, and red stands for bravery. This is actually the flag of Texas. That's where we live. Did you know that single star is why Texas is called the Lone Star State? The Texas flag was adopted in 1839, and the flag's colors are the same as the United States color. Interesting, right? Yes, Natalia, do you have a question?
Do you know that one of another state kind of has the same flag, but you know how this is the difference? If the star is somewhere else.
Natalie, I couldn't hear it. Do you know?
Natalia, I think she's saying, I was having trouble hearing too, but I think you're saying that another flag has really similar look as ours, right?
But you know how you can tell the difference? Is that the star is somewhere else on the flag, in the flag.
Wow. Do you know what
A
state it
little
is?
bit higher.
Do you know what state it is?
No, I
I'm
just
gonna
know that from Combo Panda.
Well, no,
Oh, Friends has the same color, blue, white, and red. Friends.
Interesting.
Yeah,
no,
but that's in a different like way. Like this is kind of like the same thing, but their star's a little bit higher than
Oh,
ours.
interesting. Okay. If you find it, let me know. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Next one. This is an old Texas map on the right, top right. So if you look at here, we see someone drew this, right? One of the students drew this. I thought it was very interesting and colorful to share this with you guys. And right here, you can see Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Amarillo, Lubbock, and El Paso, right? Actually, I'm interested to find out where you guys are located. So let's start with Amon. Where are you
His name
located?
is pronounced Amon.
Amon. Yes, Amon. Where do you live? Or where are you located?
And you guys, if you don't want to say the specific place, you can also say like north, south, west,
Oh,
in the
yes.
middle. You could also say that too.
east.
Amon, do you want to share? You don't have to, but you are unmuted if
I
you
know
want to, okay?
where I am.
Yeah. If
Oh,
anybody wants to share, you can raise your hand. Yes,
I
Natalie.
live. Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
go ahead, Amon. Go ahead, Amon.
I live in North America.
Thank you so much. Yes, good job.
Now I know where I live, straight to the end of my bone. I live in Florida, Green Cove. I live in Florida, Green Cove.
Oh.